Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy sleek bun hairstyle in under a minute. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to add some wax spray all over the top of the head to control the flyaways without making it look greasy. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then I'm going to divide off about a third of the ponytail at the top and secure a clear elastic band about shoulder height. And I'm going to take hold of this little elastic band and I'm going to start rolling it towards the head to create a loop, and just hold it above the elastic band and slip a bobby pin through the centre on each side. Apply some more of that wax spray along the length of your ponytail, and we're going to give it a few twists all the way to the bottom, and I'm simply going to wrap it up the left hand side over the top to the right and secure with a few bobby pins. Bring the tail ends around and tuck them underneath, and again secure with a pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.